How to tag someone on Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. To create a story, at the top left of the home screen, tap on your profile icon or swipe right. Next, either take a photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to post on your story. Scroll down and select the image from your gallery. Now, to tag someone, at the side of the screen, tap on the AA text icon. And then, click on the Mention option. Type the username of the person you want to tag. At the bottom, you can see the account that you are tagging. Just click on the profile of the person, so that they will be tagged. Once tagged, drag the tag to place it anywhere on your story, and you can adjust the size by pinching or zooming. The alternate way to mention. Tap on the stickers icon. From the menu that appears, click on the Mention option. Type the username of the person you want to tag. At the bottom, you can see the person profile. Just tap on it so that person will be added. In the pop-up page, click on Not Now. Once tagged, you can adjust the size by pinching or zooming, and drag the tag to place it anywhere on your story. When you're happy with your story, tap your story to post it. And that's it.